So guys, from all of your demands, I have come up with a new concept. I'm gonna launch a Toni Mahfud, inspired full concept series theme for you guys for free. So basically in this series, I'll just show you how to, perfectly edit your photos just like Toni Mahfud. And I really do respect his creativity and the color effect which he uses in his photos. So before getting to the video, I'll just share the secret behind an amazing photo of Toni Mahfud. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind if you want an amazing photo just like him. So the point number one is to wear the black color outfits. So it would be whether your t-shirts or shirts or jacket, it should be mainly of the black color. If you will notice, then you will find that mostly the color of his photos are very much moody blackish or kind of dark brownish effect. So you have to wear such kind of outfits if you want a theme or photos just like him, right? So this is the point number one. And the next point is, guys, you have to maintain the hairstyles. Yes, if you will notice, then you will find that mostly the hairs of the Toni Mahfud are very long. So as you can see, your hair should be just keep it a bit of longer, so that you can make a good hairstyle just like him. And you can also pop out some of the hairs from the front area, and you can just make an amazing hairstyle just like them. So it is very much important to maintain the hairstyle. That should be a very bigger hairs, and you can just play with it, and you will see the magic after clicking the photo. Your photo would be amazing. So these are the two basic major point which you have to keep in mind if you want to create an amazing photo just like Toni Mahfud. So hi, this is Ashish from ashvircreations, and guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today onwards we are going to start an amazing Toni Mahfud inspired photo editing series, in which I'm gonna showing you the whole process how you can also edit your photos just like him. Alright, so stay tuned till the whole series ends, right? So before any further ado, let's jump to the beautiful world of Photoshop. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is just capture the photo in such a way that you can just capture it at your home or on your terrace. So first of all, let's select the photo with the help of quick selection tool. So in order to select the hairs, you need to just right click on it and select the refine edge tool, or select the select and mask option over here. So you can just see how I'm selecting the precisely the hair select and mask option with the help of, and make sure you have selected the second brush, and just click on the plus icon and just roll on the edges of the hairs of the model in order to select the perfectly the hairs. Right now just right click on it and select layer copy, or directly press Ctrl J to make a duplication. Now we're gonna just add the background to the photograph. Alright, so just browse the background. So you can just download this background from the link in the description. Just drag it and drop over here, and we're gonna just transform it with the help of by pressing the Ctrl T from the keyboard. First of all, we'll just adjust the tone of the background. So just press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just do the slider as shown in the video by removing the haze from the photo and just making it kind of dark. And with the help of you can see that we have brightened up the background. So we will just adjust the background in such a way that it should be fit over here just like this way. Now we're gonna press Ctrl T from the keyboard, and we're gonna just place this somewhere over here just like this way. Now the next thing we're gonna do is stretch the background. Alright, so all you need to do in order to stretch the background, you can just play with the background wherever the position is more suitable for your photo. You can just play and just adjust the background position of the according to your photo, whatever your convenient is about. Alright, so now just hit OK. Now let's just select the photo or the background with the help of square marquee tool. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard and just enlarge it by stretching it upwards. So we have just increased the size or the canvas size. Now let's create new layer and select the brush tool, and just give a one stroke of the brush of the white color, and we're gonna just place this below the background layer, below the model layer, and above the background layer, right? And just once again we're gonna just crop the photo, and you can just still more adjust, and you make sure you have selected the 4:5 ratio for the cropping. That is our Instagram ratio, right? Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers, and here we're gonna do the process. Before merging, we're gonna just enhance the photo, so press Ctrl L from the keyboard, that is levels, and just adjust the darkness and exposure and contrast according to your convenience. Now let's just duplicate the photo, change the blending mode. First of all, before changing this process or doing this process, we are going to do, let me delete this layer. Here we are going to do a perfect dodge and burn just like Toni Mahfud. So let's just create new layer, select the square marquee tool and fill it with the 50% gray, and just hit OK. Change the blending mode to overlay, and let's just press Ctrl Z from the keyboard, and we're gonna just undo it. Now let's just select the dodge tool over here, just like this way, and move the cursor or the dodge in such a way where the jaw lines you want that kind, you just brush in that direction, right? Just like this way, and make sure you have selected the perfect direction for your doing the dodge line. Now go to the model layer and select the blemishes or the spots, unwanted spots from the photo which you don't want, with the help of spot removal brush. So just remove a little bit of spots from the face of the model with the help of spot healing brush, right? Now you can see we have created this perfectly, that dodging effect. Now you can just erase it where you don't want, if there is something more overdodged, so you can just erase it with the help of eraser. So as you can see, your photo is looking totally perfect. Here's the before and here's the after. We have created a perfect dodge over here. Now we are going to create a burn, right? So select the burn tool, still make the exposure to around 20%, would be pretty perfect. Now let's just create it on the nose, right? But here guys, you have to keep in mind that you don't do the over dodging or burning process on the skin, otherwise your skin will look more very much rubbish and more over edited, which we actually don't want, right? So as you can see, we have created a pointed nose with the help of dodge burning on the nose region. So you can just do it by yourself wherever you want, according to your convenience, right? So now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's go to the filter, select the camera filter, and guys, I'll just put the link or the preset which I am using currently in this photo. I'll just use which I am using, that is black and perfect pure black and orange preset, so you can just download it for free. I'll put the link in the description. Pure black and orange preset, right? This will create a perfect blackish effect in the photo, which is a perfect photo or the thing for your Instagram. Now just hit OK. Now here we're gonna add a little bit of vignette to the photo, just a bit, or just just keep as it is. Now again press duplicate by pressing Ctrl J. Now again go to the camera, and here we're gonna again apply the same preset, that is black and orange preset. If you want to do, then you can just do it from here by clicking on the three dots, previous conversation, so it will automatically select the previous preset. Now here we're gonna add the vignette on the photo, right? So as you can see, this is really giving your photo a kind of moody vibe, but here I just want that vignette on only the top portion of the photo, so rest of the thing I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna press adding a layer mask and press Ctrl I to invert it. right? So you can see I have only added this vignette effect on the top of the image because I don't want in the bottom area. So now just merge both the layers. So here we have done almost everything. Now let's again create new layer. Select the brush tool and make sure you have selected the brush that is pure white color. Now give one stroke of that by pressing Ctrl T to enlarge that, and just place this over near the hair region, right? Because if you will notice, then you will find that most of the photos of Toni Mahfud are backlight photos, which contains very sunset kind of vibe to the photo, and it will make your photo to look more creative. Now let's again just duplicate the photo, or before duplicating we are going to do the process that is of perfect dodge and burn. That is a second process. So just press Ctrl J from the keyboard, duplicate it, and change the blending mode to screen. Now just double click on that layer, or just right click on it and select the blending options, right? Now here is the underlying layer. Now press Alt key from the keyboard, so it will just bring back another slider from here, and just bring the other slider from left to right until you get the perfect skin tone or the perfect dodging on the skin. So just make a harsh and very gradiented dodging effect on the face. So as you can see, it is really making. Now let's again make a duplicate of that original layer. Change the blending mode to multiply. Again just double click on it, or just select the right click and select the blending options. Now here you have to just move from right to left, right? So press Alt key from the keyboard, so it will just make another slider or another point over here. And now just make a darker on the area where you want the burning process, right? Now just select both the layer by pressing the Shift key. Press Ctrl G from the keyboard to make a group and add a layer mask. Now go to the image and select the apply image. Now select the original layer, that is layer 1 of the model, and just hit OK. So as you can see guys, we have created a perfect dodging and burning effect on the skin. So here there is something more remaining guys, because I don't want the dodging and burning effect on the rest of the area except the face, right? So what I'm gonna do is erase the area where you don't want this effect with the help of brush tool by selecting the add layer mask, and make sure you have selected the black color on the foreground. Now just erase it with the help of brush tool on the layer mask, so it will only affect the area where you want. So as you can see, here's the before and here's the after. Now you can just decrease some of the opacity if you want. Now you can see the difference. It is really making your photo an amazing concept. Now again let's select the brush opacity to 32%, and we're gonna just erase it from the eyes, because that was actually over dodge and burn. So we have to maintain the originalism as well as realistic effect of the dodging and burning. So just make a minor. Now let's create a new layer and select the brush tool and create one more stroke of the color or the white color. Or here we are going to create a color that is of creamy color, creamy orange tone, because we want a backlight sunlight photograph. So we are going to create this effect. Now change the blending mode to screen, press Ctrl T from the keyboard, and we are going to place it somewhere near the hand region and also near the kind of hair region. So it will create an amazing texture or kind of vibe of the sunlight to the photo. Now just press Ctrl U and just move the slider to bit, and just make a little bit of lightness and make it more white. So as you can see, here's the before and here's the after. It is really making a huge difference to the photo and making it an amazing concept for your photo, right? Now just merge all the layers. So here we have done our process of adding a backlight or the stroke. Now you can see the difference of dodging and burning also. Now let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Now I'll select one crop tool and again just crop the photo and just hit enter. Now go to the selective layer. From the adjustment layer, select the black tone over here. Now increase the cyan to around 8 plus 8 or plus 9 according to your photo. This will just bring back an amazing contrast effect, a bluish effect on the black region. So as you can see, is the before and here's the after. Huge difference can be seen in the photo, which is making an amazing concept for the very exact tone, just like Toni Mahfud, right? So we finally guys, we have completed our process of creating an exact concept just like Toni Mahfud's. Here's the before and here's the after, guys. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this series or this first video of our Toni Mahfud series. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. Currently guys, for 2 to 3 days site is under maintenance, so it will take time to update, right? So stay tuned, and also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just type ashvircreations and visit my second website, that is filterpreset.com. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.